You searched how to buy shares of Eurocommercial Properties NV. Eurocommercial Properties is a European shopping center owner listed on Euronext with the ticker ECMPA.NV. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will normally need to verify your account with an ID document and then add funds to trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ECMPA.NV to find the listing. Locate the Euronext result that matches Eurocommercial Properties NV. On the asset page, check the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is the correct stock. Verify the Euronext exchange and the ECMPA.NV ticker before proceeding. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button. Choose the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or scheduled, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. Your position will appear in your portfolio after the order executes. For the example link and more resources, see the description below.